So you might be in a really weird situation where every single time you go through and basically use your particular iPhone or Android, your battery is still going down even when you're charging your particular phone. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but the main reason why this ends up happening for the most part is because your particular battery on your particular iPhone or your Android and the charger that you're using isn't charging up or not fast enough of a charger to basically keep your iPhone charged while you're using it. So what does this mean? So if your iPhone is currently plugged in or your Android is plugged in, the first thing you want to do is you want to see how fast that device is charging. If your particular iPhone or Android has the capability of telling you when your iPhone is or Android is going to be charged, aka if there's a setting inside the settings application that tells you, so you can try going into your battery options inside your settings, and you might be able to see something that'll say like, hey, it's going to take X amount of time to, charge up your battery. Or if you have the capability of seeing that on your Android phone, you may be able to do the same thing there. So what you can try doing is you can try seeing if your particular Android phone or iPhone gives you that type of capability. And from there, all you're going to have to do is just see if it tells you that's going to be fully charged in 2 days, that is too slow of a charger. Also, if your iPhone is just sitting there and when it's charging, it's only charging like 1% every 10 minutes or something, well, that means you have a very, very slow charger. So just change that charger, or you can also change the charging port. Unplug your charger from your particular Android or iPhone, go ahead and just plug that thing back in, and that might be the way to go and fix it. You can also try unplugging your particular iPhone or Android, plugging it back into the wall outlet. That might end up fixing it too, depending if that charger wasn't that good of a charger anyways. If that still doesn't work, try powering off your iPhone or Android. So completely power off this particular device, and then what you want to do is you want to go and power it back up, or you can just leave it powered off and charge it that way. That way your iPhone or Android are charging while your particular phone is still kind of going through and being used. So that's another option, but typically the main reason this ends up happening is because your iPhone or Android is outputting more battery than it is, kind of taking in. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.